Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x squared minus 5 square root of x is equal to 26x, to find the value of 5x minus 25 square root of x, which is x is greater than 0. In the first step, from this equation, in here we have x squared, and we take this to this side, and in here we have 26x, and we can write 26x as 25x plus x, and we take x to this side. So it will be x squared minus x is equal to 25x plus 5 square root of x. So in here we take this to this side, and we write this 26x as 25x plus x, and we take x to this side, right? So in next step, in here, if we add 1 over 4 to this side and also to this side, both sides of this equation we can write in the form of perfect square. So we add 1 over 4 to both sides of this equation, and it will be x squared minus x plus 1 over 4 is equal to 25x plus 5 square root of x plus 1 over 4. And in here we can write this as x squared minus 2 times x times 1 over 2, and plus 1 over 4 we can write 1 over 2 to power of 2, right? Is equal to, in here we can write 25x as 5 square root of x to power of 2 plus, in here, 2 times 5 square root of x times 1 over 2, and plus 1 over 2 to power of 2, right? It will be 1 over 4. And in here, this is in the form of x minus 1 over 2 to power of 2 is equal to, and in here this is in the form of 5 square root of x plus 1 over 2 to power of 2. And in next step, we take this to this side, and it will be x minus 1 over 2 to power of 2 minus 5 square root of x plus 1 over 2 to power of 2 is equal to 0. And here, this is in the form of difference of 2 squared, and we can write this as, in here if we have a squared minus b squared, we can write this as a minus b times a plus b. So, which is a is x minus 1 over 2 to power of 2, and b is 5 square root of x plus 1 over 2 to power of 2. So, a minus b, it will be x minus 1 over 2, a minus b, minus this 5 square root of x plus 1 over 2 times a plus b. It will be x minus 1 over 2 plus this 5 square root of x plus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. And here it will be x minus 5 square root of x and negative 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2, it will be negative 1 times this x plus 5 square root of x, and negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, it will be 0, and it's equal to 0. And here we have two solutions for x. X minus 5 square root of x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 5 square root of x is equal to 0. In here, from our problem condition, x should be greater than 0, so this square root, it will be positive because x is greater than 0, and this is positive, right? This is positive, and this is a positive. So positive plus positive cannot be equal to 0, so we reject this equation. And in here, from this equation, this expression should be a 0, right? So x minus 5 square root of x minus 1 should be a 0, and from here x minus 5 square root of x, we take this negative 1 to this side, it will be 1. And we want to find the value of 5x minus 25 square root of x. So in here we multiply both sides of the equation by 5. So multiply by 5, and it will be 5x minus 25 square root of x is equal to 5. So this is our final answer, and here we write 5x minus 25 square root of x is equal to 5. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.